What's up guys, this is Aftab and you are watching iGadget Advisor, and today in this video we will be going ahead and purchasing the iPhone 12 mini. So we pre-ordered the iPhone 12 mini since the day it was available for pre-order. So prior to this iPhone we were using the iPhone 11 Pro Max, but since the phone was very big according to our liking, so we decided to go with the iPhone 12 mini. It has a 5.4-inch display, and also the cost of the phone was around 75,000 rupees. If I'm not wrong for the price, I leave the price on the screen, and we also got a 6,000 rupees cashback on HDFC card. So we ordered the phone from iCell, which is the authorized Apple reseller, which is located in Irla Villeparle. So we are on our way to purchase the iPhone 12 mini in black color. The white one and the red one looked really good, but since the black iPhone 12 mini has a black aluminium frame, which really blends in good with the black screen of the iPhone 12 mini, so it looks really good. So we had an appointment at around 3:15 somewhat. So we went there, and you can see we have reached the destination. This is the iCell, as you can see. So I wasn't able to record much of the footage inside the store because I didn't want to waste any time in the store. I really wanted to get the phone, but then again, unfortunately I wasn't able to record the unboxing of the phone as well. And also I had a very short hands-on video of the phone. As you can see, I was able to record only the small footage of the phone. You can see this is the phone that we purchased in the black color, and it looked really good. I wanted to make full unboxing, but I wasn't able to do so. That's it for this video guys. I hope you like the video.